So today I'll be teaching you how to upload 4K videos in just 3 to 4 simple steps. And before we jump onto this video, you have to make sure that your video is in 4K quality as well as your export. So the first step is you have to click on the right top where you'll see your channel logo and scroll down to settings. Click on settings, then again scroll all the way down and there's an section called uploads, and then you go to upload quality, and by default it is 1080p, but change it into full quality. And yes, that's how you do it, but it will take time to again upload in 4K, so you need to have patience. And yes, that's it. It's so simple, and yet as I have already told you, you have to make sure that your camera should support 4K and your video is in that quality. And yes, if you found this video a little or helpful, then make sure to give it a thumbs up. And yes, we have completed 300 subscribers, so thank you so much for that, and see you in the next video.